In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give someone access to your Wix website. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite a collaborator safely and choose the right level of access for them. Start on your Wix dashboard and locate the site you want to share. On the sites list, hover over that site and open the More Options menu by clicking the three dots. This menu is where Wix keeps site-specific actions, and it's the quickest way to get to collaboration settings without digging through deeper menus. From that menu, select Invite Collaborators. This opens the invite window for the site you chose. If you manage multiple sites, double check the site name at the top so you're inviting someone to the correct one. In the email field, type the person's email address. Take a moment to confirm the spelling. A small typo can delay access. If they already have a Wix account, the invite will link to it automatically. If they don't, Wix will walk them through creating one when they accept the invite. It's a good idea to use the email address they prefer for work, so all notifications go to the right inbox. Next, choose a role under General Roles. Roles define what your collaborator can see and do. Pick the level of access that matches the work they need to perform. For example, if they're managing content or design, you can give them editing capabilities. If they only need to review, select a lighter role with limited permissions. Keep the principle of least privilege in mind. Grant just enough access for them to do their job and nothing more. You can always adjust their role later if their responsibilities change. When everything looks correct, click Best Invite. Wix will email the person a secure invitation to join your site as a collaborator. You'll see their status as pending until they accept. If they mention not seeing the email, have them check their spam or promotions folder, and you can resend the invite from the same area if needed. Once they accept, they'll appear as an active collaborator with the role you selected, and they can log into Wix to start working on the site you shared. If at any point you need to change their permissions or remove access, you can return to the same collaboration section for that site and update their role or revoke access. That's all there is to it. You selected your site, invited your collaborator, assigned the right role, and sent the invite. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you collaborate more confidently and securely on Wix.